There are no federal lawmakers representing Rivers State in the Senate. The Senatorial, House of Representatives, and State House of Assembly elections organized by electoral body INEC in Rivers State were inconclusive. This is a sore point for some of these lawmakers who say INEC is denying people from Rivers State representation in the Senate.
We also observe that the failure of INEC to conduct the rerun elections in Rivers State within the time frame ordered by the respective election petition tribunals and the courts is in breach of the Electoral Act and Section 76 of the 1999 Constitution, thus endangering the nation's democracy.
You can imagine today we are about to discuss PIB without any member from Rivers State.
A single resolution was put forward and passed.
Those in favor of the prayer call on the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC to conduct all outstanding elections in Rivers State not later than 10th of December, on failing which the Senate will suspend plenary to such a time the said elections are held. Those in favor of this prayer say aye. Aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it.
These lawmakers also continued with the process of amending the act, setting up electoral body INEC. According to the chairman, Senate Committee on INEC, 6 amendments are being sought, one of which is a controversial issue of the replacement of a candidate at an election who dies between commencement of polls and declaration of the results of the election. This situation created an impasse in the Kogi governorship election. However, lawmakers were sharply divided over this amendment.
The lacuna being amended here in the electoral law is for someone who dies before the election is concluded. And if that happens, then the party should have the responsibility to feed in a candidate that may continue with the first running mate or not.
The intendment of having somebody nominated for an executive position is that you cannot validly be nominated without a running mate. And if you cannot be validly nominated without a running mate, how could you, in the unfortunate circumstance that there's a demise, then the same running mate, who you cannot validly be nominated without, now becomes nobody in the system. No.
The Senate President, however, asked the Committee on INEC to go back and do more work on this particular amendment because of its controversial and delicate nature. Linda Akibi, Channels Television News.